some more snowballs to fall at the pit.
Okay, make some more snowballs. Look at all your footprints.
I'm making snow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Please make some small balls. That one didn't work so well, right? Right, Mommy?
I guess not.
I'm just trying another one.
Hey, Connor, I think it might be starting to melt a little bit.
Is it my snowball?
Yes.
We've got a fall.
Are you going to make your snow angel? Here, come here. Let's do your snow angel. Come here.
Not yet.
Yeah. You can come back and throw some more snowballs after. Come here, before we mess up all the snow. Come here, we have to find a spot.
There's no more than that.
Okay, right here. Okay, fall back. Now go up and down. Now get up. And it's a snow angel. Now you can make all the snowballs you want and mess up all the snow.